Are you tired of using a drone that's just too big and cumbersome to fly? But here's what surprised me. The DJI Avata 2 is not just another drone, it's a revolutionary flying camera that packs a punch in a tiny package. For the best price, click the link in the description. I'll be going over all the things you need to know before buying this incredible device. So let's dive right in. The DJI Avata 2 is a mini drone that weighs just 230 grams and measures only 165 min length. It may be small, but it's packed with features like an FHD camera, a 1.3 CMOS sensor, and the ability to shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. But there's more to this drone than meets the eye. Have you ever wished your drone could fly indoors without getting lost or stuck? The DJI Avata 2 has an advanced obstacle avoidance system that lets it navigate through tight spaces with ease. It even comes equipped with a 24 GB internal storage, allowing you to capture hours of footage without running out of space. But what about the price? Is this drone worth the investment? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features and specs. The DJI Avata 2 has a flight time of up to 28 minutes on a single charge, making it perfect for long-form content creation. It also comes with a range of accessories, including a carrying case, propellers, and a charging dock. So what makes the DJI Avata 2 so special? Is it worth the hype? Let's explore some of its most innovative features. The drone features an advanced stabilization system, ensuring smooth and stable footage even in windy conditions. It also has a range of customizable settings, allowing you to fine-tune your camera settings for optimal performance. But don't just take my word for it. What do other customers have to say about the DJI Avata 2? I've done some research and gathered some feedback from fellow drone enthusiasts. One customer raved about the drone's amazing image quality and how it was perfect for capturing high-quality footage in tight spaces. Another customer mentioned that it was easy to use, even for a beginner. Now let's talk about some potential downsides of this product. Some customers have reported issues with the drone's battery life, saying it doesn't last as long as advertised. However, DJI has since released an update addressing these concerns. So what are my final thoughts on the DJI Avata 2? Is it worth buying? I think so. The combination of advanced features, compact design, and affordability make it a top choice for any drone enthusiast. But don't just take my word for it. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible device. But before you go, let me leave you with one final thought. What would you use the DJI Avata 2 for? Would you capture stunning aerial footage, create immersive content experiences, or simply have fun flying around your backyard? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tech insights.